Hello everyone, welcome back to Blossom Elite. My name is Ishita and today we'll be making mandala art. I really hope you guys like it. And if you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get on to the video.
So for the material, I have taken neon acrylic paints as my mug is black. I am also using black and white acrylic paints. Next we will need earbuds and toothpicks. I'll also be using an old pencil. Also I've taken an earbud and removed one side of cotton from its side, as you can see. And of course we'll need the mug. So let's get started. To make a big circle, I have used the cap of a nail polish that I forgot to tell in the material list. So taking the nail polish, I dipped the cap into the white color and put a circle at the center of the mug. After I was done, I used an earbud to fill in the center of the circle. Next, I took an earbud and dipped it into orange neon color and started putting dots around the circle. Next I am using the back of a toothpick, which is the thicker side of the toothpick, and I dipped it into pink neon color and started putting dots, as you can see. After I was done with the pink, I flipped the toothpick and dipped it into the white color and started putting the dots in between the pink ones. Next I took an old pencil and flipped it over and used the back of it to make a bigger size dots. For the next row, I have used an earbud. I have removed cotton from one side of the earbud to make it look smaller. Next, I am again using the back side of an old pencil. For the next step, I have just flipped the pencil to the other side and I have used the sharpened side of the pencil, as you can see in the video. After that, I have again repeated these same tools and have painted the art, as you can see. So next I have taken a toothpick again and started making small dots around the circle. Now for the next step, I am again using an earbud with an orange color. After I was done making orange dots, so I took a pencil, basically an old pencil again. So I actually have these old color pencils that I haven't used in a very long time, so I use them. You can use anything you want, and made it into a shape of a raindrop. Though to me it reminds me of a bindi my mother used to put when I was younger. So next I've again started using toothpick to put smaller dots around the teardrop. As you can see, I have again repeated the same design for it to make it look pretty. So you can totally repeat the design in mandala art. There is no restrictions in it. You can use whatever you want, however you want it, and yeah. So after I was done with the outer design, basic design, I started filling the insides of the mug. As you can see, I have next painted the inside of the mug with pink and orange color. I have also used white at the places I thought I should use to make it look more beautiful and attractive. You can do whatever you want. As I said, there is no restrictions in mandala art. You can make any design, anything you want. So this is what I did. this is the final result. I really hope you guys like it, and if you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So if you guys want me to make more such designs, as like more mandala art designs, please comment down in the comment box. And if you guys make this mug, please share it with me on my Instagram channel that I have linked down in the description box below. Also check out my other Instagram account on which I basically sell resin art. So if you guys want it, do check it out, and let's meet in the next video.